A half-naked bodybuilder turned a German government jet into his private party in an embarrassing security breach. The 24-year-old man named Vulcan somehow found his way onto an empty German government jet in Cologne used by Chancellor Angela Merkel on the night of July 25th. A police report says he was only wearing his underwear, but also brought along a bag of marijuana, ecstasy pills, and of course, his right to party. The Daily Mail says the man danced on the wing of the plane, sprayed foam around, pushed buttons in the cockpit, and even released the inflatable emergency slide. According to Der Spiegel, the man lied to get past a guard post. He then climbed a barbed wire fence, walked across the tarmac, climbed the left wing of the jet, and entered through an emergency exit. Authorities told German newspapers the intoxicated man was brought down by a guard dog and arrested, but it took 4 hours to remove him from the plane. While the thought of a half-naked bodybuilder doing a jig might be a knee slapper, the security concerns raised by the incident were anything but laughable for the German military. A leaked police log of the incident says there were security weaknesses and errors made by the Air Force. BBC reports the man caused more than $130,000 worth of damage. Luckily, Chancellor Merkel was on the other side of the country at the time of the one-man party. We'll leave the final thought on this one to Fox News' Shepard Smith.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the story of the week. Oh, if there were pictures.
For Newsy, I'm Christian Bryant.